Hey, Chris Unlimited here. About to work on the rest of my pavers here. So I screeded all this out last night. It was really nice and pretty, really pretty. Except you know, when you screed out the sand, it becomes a very inviting, you know, play box apparently for the neighborhood kids and dogs and cats. I see a few different kind of animal tracks, but it's okay. It'll all come out. It's no problem. Because as we go, we're going to start here and move this way and beyond the pavers as we go. Then we'll get our magnesium trowel out, smooth it out, fill in the sand, and continue on with life. It's not the end of the world. It's okay. Don't freak. But what we got to do along the way is, you see these metal conduit pieces in here. These have to come out. So I'll be taking those out shortly and fill in as I go. Just came out of these pavers, these lighted, solar, wireless, transformerless pavers. They are the coolest thing ever. So I'm going to be incorporating that in the design. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put them yet. But right now, these guys are embedded. They're about the same length. They take a battery. They recharge during the day and light up for a few hours at night. Not a long time. In the winter right now, we don't get that much sun, so it's about 3 or 4 hours. You know, but that's all we need. Just a little cool effect. They kind of look cool by themselves, you know, just sitting there during the day. So anyway, that'll be coming up too. The sand that I'm using is local, and this is red bank sand. It's not really made for these pavers, but it's what's local, cheap and plentiful, and I can use it. Problem is, it has a bunch of clay in it. So this clay, you probably see these little dark black spots in there. I can squish it down as I'm doing the bedding. I want to sweep it between the cracks and then fill in these places where the conduit was. I don't want all those clay balls in there. So they're fairly plentiful. They're just all over, little turds like this, you know. So in construction, you got to be resourceful. So this may not be the right way to do it. This is the way I'm doing it. So just filtering it down to this shelf that I had. and just let it all come through. This nice pretty stuff down here. My clay turd extractor works pretty well for the big ones. If I really wanted to go all out, I could go get a smaller mesh that's maybe 1/2 inch here and then go to a finer mesh on the bottom, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. So, it'll work. Got some good material down here. I can work with that. Well, the sun just went down. I think this is going to be one of my favorite parts of the day coming home. Got these paver lights just kind of set in, recessed just a little bit, just messing around with them. They're going to be really, really cool. No battery. Well, the battery's already in there, but no wires to chase around. The transformers to hook up. You know, they recharge themselves. They're going to withstand the traffic. And yeah, they'll provide a really, really, really cool accent. I'm driving up. It's going to be pretty freaking cool. Alright. Very cool. Very cool. Alright, folks. That's all I got for tonight. I'm going to go hit the sack. So if you would please like and subscribe, as you've always heard on most of these channels, and you'll see more content. What I'm going to work on next is actually showing the whole process of paving the driveway, digging down, what kind of base I'm using, fabric, the sand, the setting, how to set the conduit, how to grade everything out to where it drains right, and do a really quality job for yourself. That's what it's all about. Doing it all for yourself, because no one's going to do it like you would. So, signing out for today. And if you wouldn't mind just checking out the links below, the all the things that I was talking about, the solar paver lights, the clay turd extractor, and anything else you want me to post up there, I'll post a link to how you can get it. As always, thanks. Have a good evening.